All right, guys. All right. So I was scrolling through Facebook today and I found this amazing ad. And this is a winning product, by the way. I trust this product that it's gonna sell, guys. So I decided to share this winning product with you guys, especially for those of you who are looking for winning products to test or to try out in this new week. By the way, today is October the 22nd, and I found this ad and I'm recording it. So you can go to Facebook and look up this ad. Trust me, you're gonna find it. And before the end of this quick video, I'm gonna walk you back to Facebook where I found this ad, and we're gonna review it together to see the number of views this video had gotten. Though I have not gone to Facebook asset manager or something like that to look up this ad to see when this ad started running, the company behind it, and all of those metrics that we could use to judge the performance of this product. But by the way, we're on the website already and we can see a very wonderful looking website. They have a lot of GIF here, which is clearly showcasing what this product does, how you can use it, and all of that. As you can see, all of the use cases for this product were clearly mapped out on this GIF, and this is really what makes this landing page a really wonderful one. It came with all of the information as is expected of every any dropshipping website out there. So for me, I really think this is gonna be a good winning product for you to test out, especially the audiences for this product. I think will be car owners, or those who are car fans or car lovers and all of that. So this is the best interest you could actually market this product for. And yes, as we stated earlier, I got this ad on Facebook, so it will also be fine if you decide to run this ad on Facebook as well as Instagram. If you then can run it on TikTok as well, it will make a lot of sense. And then now back to the landing page of this product. Everything looks so clean, everything looks so straightforward. The domain name of this website is vznar.com. So straightforward, so short. And the name of this product is Visna folding magnetic car phone holder. It's already branded. You can look at the domain name here. I'll just leave it in the description below so you can visit this website for yourself and see for yourself some of the products that they are currently listed and running out for, so you can then probably get one or two ideas. But for me, reviewing this product and judging by the performance on Facebook, the comment and all of that, I see this product as a potential winning product. And now back to the landing page. As we said earlier, it has a lot of juicy offers here. Only today, buy one pieces, buy two and save 10%, buy three and get one free. This is a very, very amazing kind of bundle offers, and this will probably help increase the conversion rate of this product. And then you can see the countdown timer also, which says hurry up, sale ends in just 5 hours 48 minutes and 36 seconds. And you can also see the buy with cash on delivery option, which is probably what they did because they are targeting a particular location. So in a situation where you live in London and you are targeting people in London and you actually keep inventory of this product, then it will make sense if you try to do buy with cash on delivery, just as you see on the website. But I then don't like the fact that they did not add the buy like every other payment option, right? It shouldn't just be the buy with cash on delivery option. I believe they should have gotten the pay by card option or the PayPal option, just to give the users opportunities to pay in different different payment options as they find as they deem fit for themselves, rather than just having the buy with cash on delivery, which is a no-no for me. What a bombshell! It's a complete no-no for me, and I would not recommend that you do that. I usually recommend that you have at least 2 to 3 payment options on your landing page, or I mean your product page, because this will give users options. So whatever it is that gives users or potential customers the options to buy or to do anything on the website is what I usually subscribe to, and that's what I call a good user experience, customization for your e-commerce and for your product detail page especially. Okay, so that's a no-no for me. Apart from that, the website is clean, every other thing is good, and this product to me seems to me like what's gonna be a winning product. And I think you can conduct further research about this product and see for yourself if you want to sell it or not. But then I have 50% belief that this product will sell. Okay, so now back to the business model of this website, or the owners of this website. For me, the business model, I think they really do have an inventory of this product, which means that they probably must have tested this product and discovered that this product is selling before they decided to get an inventory for this product, which then gives them the ability to do the buy with cash on delivery. And I am 100% sure that these guys are selling this product in Dubai and for Dubai resident only. And I am very, very sure that they are promoting this website specifically to people in the UAE or in Dubai exclusively. Otherwise, delivering this product may be difficult for them, right? So you don't want to sell a product that you don't have the inventory with the buy with cash on delivery option, right? So dropshipping per se has to be when you buy when you list the product on your website, you promote, the customers pays you, then before you buy the product itself. So if you decide to do something like this, it would mean that you have the inventory. Think about it for a second. Why would you use the buy with cash on delivery option if you do not have the actual inventory? So that's what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about, guys. These guys have the actual inventory of this product, and that's why they were able to use or to implement this buy with cash on delivery option. Trust me, they do have it. So it's something you would want to test out, or you can only decide to test out when you have seen that the product is selling, and then you want to probably take it to the next level. You get it right. So for me, I love this idea, and I have tried it before on some of my dropshipping websites, and it's really amazing. But I do not use this try this model or strategy when I haven't tested the product and realized that product is selling. So it's only good for a product that's selling, right? So that's it. Overall, the website is good. It's not complicated. It's simple to understand. Things are clearly mapped out. All the call to actions are there to help the customers take immediate action on the website. And the buy three get one free bundle and offer or discount works perfectly fine, and it's gonna probably increase the average conversion, the average order value of this product. Okay, so that is that for that. So now taking you back to Facebook, I'm just gonna close this and yes, probably take you back to Facebook. And now to further strengthen all of the information, like I said earlier, you can see now that this business is specifically focused in the United Arab Emirates, and you can see the address is clearly mapped out on their website, on their Facebook page, and the Visna not rated, blah blah blah. You can see other products that they are selling here on Facebook. And yes, that's it. So we can go back to the original ad. I think the ad already disappeared, but then that's it for that. So catch you on the other side.